You probably recycle plastic and paper, but did you know you can recycle clothes at some popular retailers and get cash or discounts in return?
Simply Money's Amy Wagner has the surprising details in this consumer.
You probably already know you could sell your old clothing to consignment stores or online retail stores, but did you know some regular retailers will take your old stuff and give you a discount on new clothing? H&M is a very popular store with young people, but what you may not have known is that if you donate old clothes, no matter the brand or condition, H&M will give you a 15% off coupon. Levi's stores will also take old clothes and shoes for recycling and give you a coupon for 25% off any regularly priced item in the store. Madewell is a popular store in Kenwood Town Center. If you have old jeans, no matter the brand, Madewell will take them and give you $20 off a new pair. Madewell sends all of that donated denim to a charity that turns them into housing insulation. And the North Face will also take your recycled clothing and shoes and give you a $10 off coupon for your next $100 purchase. The Simply Money point, getting rid of the old clothing can help you declutter and save you some money too. For Fox 19 Now and Simply Money, I'm Amy Wagner.